All right, if you've ever tried to create a sales webinar before, you already know how painful the process can be. Staring at a blank screen, wondering what to say, how to structure it, how to design the slides, and whether it's even going to convert. I've been there, and that's exactly why today I want to talk about something that genuinely surprised me when I tested it, AI Webinar Agent by WebinarKit. When I first heard AI builds your entire webinar, I was skeptical. Most tools promise a lot and then give you generic output that still needs hours of fixing. But AI Webinar Agent works very differently. Instead of asking you to become a copywriter, a strategist, and a designer all at once, it flips the process completely. You simply paste in your website or your offer page or answer a few basic questions about what you're selling, and the system takes it from there. What happens next is where things get interesting. The AI doesn't just spit out random text, it builds a full sales webinar script using proven webinar frameworks that are designed to convert cold viewers into buyers. These frameworks are based on real webinar data, not theory, from millions in sales and tens of thousands of webinar users on the WebinarKit platform. That means the structure, the pacing, and the flow are all built with selling in mind, not just sounding nice. But the biggest difference, and honestly the biggest time saver, is that it doesn't stop at the script. Once the script is generated, AI Webinar Agent automatically turns that script into a complete slide deck. Not just bullet points, but fully designed slides using layouts that are meant to guide attention, build belief, and lead naturally into an offer. This alone can save you weeks and thousands of dollars compared to hiring a designer or agency. You also get to choose from different slide designs that are already tested for conversions. You can add your logo, decide whether you want AI-generated images, and then fine-tune everything in a drag-and-drop editor if you want. Or, if speed is your priority, you can literally use it as is and launch the same day. Another thing I really like is how flexible this tool is. You can use it to build a brand new webinar from scratch, or you can take an existing webinar that's not converting well and generate a completely new angle or structure. Some people even use it to create multiple versions of the same webinar and rotate them to see which one converts best. And if you're someone who hates recording yourself on camera, this next part matters. AI Webinar Agent is rolling out AI voice and video narration, which means your webinar can be presented without you recording anything. You can use stock voices or even connect an AI clone of your own voice and video using tools like HeyGen. That opens the door to scaling webinars faster and even creating content in multiple languages. In terms of cost, this is where it becomes a no-brainer for a lot of people. There's a free plan that gives you enough credits to create your first full webinars so you can test it without risk. After that, webinars usually cost pennies to a few dollars in credits, which is nothing compared to paying $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 to an agency and waiting weeks for results. Is this going to replace strategy entirely? No, you still need to understand your offer and your audience. But what it does is remove the hardest, slowest parts of webinar creation and replaces them with speed, structure, and clarity. If you sell anything online, or you want to start using webinars to sell, this tool can get you there faster than almost anything else right now. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. Alright, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.